What we do here is go back.
We actually found a 918. What is going on, everyone? This is Daniel, or LAOC Exotics, and today we're at the 70 Mile Saturday Protective Film Solutions Carrera GT and 918 rally. There's supposed to be around 20 cars all together. It's going to be really cool. The Carrera GT is my favorite car of all time. The 918 is one of my favorite hypercars. So yeah, let's get to it. Usually on a Martini livery, the little swoop right here that goes up like that is blue and red, and this one is no colors at all. The only colors on it are the green mirrors. It looks really cool, really clean, especially with the whole green hybrid type thing for the 918. Even the Porsche logo has no colors on it. Check that out, that looks really cool. A Porsche logo. Pretty decent lineup right away. 2 black CGTs, a silver one, a yellow one, and then a 918 at the end. These are the first 5 cars. Not a bad start. So another 918 actually showed up. Big shout out to Car Fanatic on Instagram. I'll put up his @ right now. But yeah, he is the owner of this 918. He offered to open it up and let me get some photos and some videos of the inside for you guys. So we're in the driver's seat. Check it out. This is how you put the wing up. And there goes the rear wing. We're in the camera car right now. Will is driving us. We got some CGTs and 918s behind us. So we're at the first checkpoint. I didn't get much on the road footage because we just weren't on the road for that long, to be honest. We're about to go into a cool place. We're in a crazy garage right now. This is the first checkpoint. Check out what's next to me. A CLK AMG, another one in white, a CLK DTM, a Porsche 911R, a GT2 RS, a GT3 RS. It just goes on and on. A red Carrera GT, a Jaguar E-Type in the back. This is crazy. This is a real garage. got a CGT in front of us. Check out that lineup in the mirror. All those 918s and CGTs. Oh my gosh. We gotta kind of make a U-turn. We messed up. Well, we have made it back to the starting location. This is the sad part of the vlog. We got a flat tire in the M3. We had to come back. I'm gonna hop in my truck and pick him up at the BMW dealership because we got a flat right down the street from one. So we took it there. I took an Uber to my truck, and yeah, we're back at Protective Film Solutions. There's no 918s or CGTs, but there's a Performante, so it's okay. And then, yeah, let's hop in. So here we are. Got my truck. Sad day. So we made it to Javier's. Actually, just ate. Yeah, so here are all the cars. A few of them are leaving right now. Check out the lineup. All 4 918s, Carrera GTs, and then a bunch of other supercars in the whole parking lot. Look how cool that LP640 looks. If I had an LP640, that's exactly how I would want it to look. There goes one of them. So we're in a parking lot right now. We're in the same parking lot that we left off at lunch, and we found a pretty special car. You guys might recognize this from the intro. It is a red Porsche 918 Spyder. It's literally the exact same car in my intro, and here it is. Talk about the luck. So yeah, check it out. Guards red 918.